For today's lesson, we're going to extend a given line in the ratio of 3:5. So first of all, we need to break down what the question is asking. Basically, to extend, all you're doing is making something longer. So we're going to make the line longer in the ratio of 3:5. So now, what is a ratio? Basically, a ratio is a proportion. In this ratio here, 3:5, this basically means if you have 3 of something, you will also have 5 of something else. So, say if you're given 8 pieces of fruit, 3 of them are oranges, 5 of them are apples. That's basically that. So, the first thing we're going to do is break up the line AB using the line division method. For this method, you will need a ruler or any straight edge and a compass or anything that will make equal increments. So to do this method, I'm going to use a pen here. You all use pencils. We're going to extend a line here at any angle at all or at any length, but it just has to be from one end of the line AB. So we're going to create 5 equal increments along this line. They have to be equal. But it doesn't matter what length they are, as long as there's 5 of them. So now what we're going to do is extend this line back to the end of B, and then we're going to bring all these divisions back parallel to this line here. So you can use your sliding set squares. This is just an example. They're fairly parallel. So to indicate that these are parallel, just draw little arrows on them to indicate the direction they're going in is the same. Okay, so we've divided the line up into 5 equal parts. The camera's shaking. These little lines here I've drawn indicate that each of these lines are the same length. So what we're going to do now is take our straight edge and extend line AB out any distance at all, as long as it's just about double. Now, when you're drawing this in pencil, these are all construction lines, so these are not the definite finished product. So what we're going to do next is put the end of your compass on B. So we know we've broken this line up here into 5 parts. So we're going to take 3 of these parts. That's 3. And bring it to the end of line AB. So now we create the point C, which has extended the line AB in the ratio of 3:5, because we have added 3 more parts onto the line, or the equivalent length of 3 parts onto the end of the line, which will create 8 increments on the line if we add them all together. So, see you in the next lesson.